Page 64. Unit 7. My Day. Lesson 1. Time. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
1 o'clock,
2,
1:15,
3,
1:30,
4,
1:45,
5.
2 o'clock,
Page 64. B. Listen and number. 1. Let's play a game. 1 o'clock.
It's this clock. It's a red clock.
Good. 2. 2:15.
I can see that clock. It's the flower clock.
That's right. 3. Now, ready? 3:45.
Look, it's the car clock.
Yes. 4. What about this one? 9:30.
It's that big purple and yellow clock.
5. 11 o'clock.
It's the bear. The bear. There.
6. What about 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock. It's that clock. The triangle.
Yes. Okay. Page 65. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
it's 1 o'clock, it's 1:15, it is,
1,
It's 1 o'clock.
2,
It's 1:15.
3,
It's 1:30.
4,
It's 1:45.
5.
It's 2 o'clock.
Page 65. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
what time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 1:15. 1,
What time is it? It's 1 o'clock.
2,
What time is it? It's 6:15.
3,
What time is it? It's 4:30.
4,
What time is it? It's 4:45.
5,
What time is it? It's 3 o'clock.
6.
What time is it? It's 10:30.
Page 66. Lesson 2. Meals. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
breakfast,
2,
lunch,
3,
snack,
4.
dinner,
Page 66. B. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
when do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
When do you eat breakfast?
We eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
A snack,
1,
When do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
2,
When do you eat lunch? We eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
3,
When do you eat a snack? I eat a snack at 3:30.
4,
When do you eat dinner? We eat dinner at 7:15.
Page 67. C. Listen, Ask and answer. Then practice.
When does he eat breakfast?
He eats breakfast at 7 o'clock.
When does she eat breakfast?
She eats breakfast at 7 o'clock. 1,
When does he eat breakfast? He eats breakfast at 7 o'clock.
2,
When does he eat lunch? He eats lunch at 12:30.
3,
When does he eat a snack? He eats a snack at 4:15.
4,
When does he eat dinner? He eats dinner at 7:45.
5,
When does she eat breakfast? She eats breakfast at 7 o'clock.
6,
When does she eat lunch? She eats lunch at 12:45.
7,
When does she eat a snack? She eats a snack at 4:30.
8,
When does she eat dinner? She eats dinner at 6:15.
Page 67. D. Sing. When do you eat breakfast?
When do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7:15. I like eggs and juice.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I like soup and salad.
When do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 6:45. French fries and spaghetti. Let's play, Dad.
It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed. Mike, it's 11 o'clock.
Sorry, Dad. Good night.
Mike? Mike?
Let's play, Mike.
I'm tired. Good night, Dad.
Page 68. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. Time for bed.
Let's play, Dad.
It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed. Mike, it's 11 o'clock.
Sorry, Dad. Good night.
Mike? Mike?
Let's play, Mike.
I'm tired. Good night, Dad.
Page 69. B. Listen and circle check or X. 1,
Let's play, Dad.
2,
It's time for bed.
3,
Good night.
4.
I'm tired.
Page 69. C. Sing. What time is it?
Wake up!
What time is it?
It's time for school. Wake up! It's 7:30. It's time for school.
Wake up. What time is it? It's time for school. Wake up. It's 7:30. It's time for school.
Good night.
What time is it?
It's time for bed. Good night. It's 9:15. It's time for bed.
Good night. What time is it? It's time for bed. Good night. It's 9:15. It's time for bed.
Page 69. D. Listen and say. Then act. 1,
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed.
2,
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock. It's time for dinner. 3,
What time is it? It's 8:30. It's time for school.
Page 70. Lesson 4. Daily routine. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Wake up.
2,
Go to school.
3,
Come home.
4.
Go to bed.
Page 70. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
When does he wake up?
He wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
When does she wake up?
She wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Wake. Wakes. Go. Goes. Come. Comes. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night.
1,
When does he wake up? He wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
2,
When does she go to school? She goes to school at 8:15 in the morning.
3,
When does he come home? He comes home at 6 o'clock in the evening.
4,
When does she go to bed? She goes to bed at 8:45 at night.
Page 71. D. Listen, point, and say. Write.
Eat. Eats. Play. Plays. Do. Does. Watch. Watches.
He wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. He eats breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. He goes to school at 8:15 in the morning. He eats lunch at 12:30 in the afternoon. He eats a snack at 3:15 in the afternoon. He plays soccer at 3:45 in the afternoon. He comes home at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He plays the guitar at 5:45 in the evening. He watches TV at 6:30 in the evening. He eats dinner at 7:15 in the evening. He does homework at 8 o'clock at night. He goes to bed at 9:45 at night.